Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out PrizeGrab, all right? And maybe you are looking at PrizeGrab and you're wondering, can you really make $10,000 with this website? How does this really work? Okay, is this worth your time? What do they need in order for you to potentially win $10,000? So let's talk all about that. And anytime if you want to get my favorite strategy though, to get to $5,000 to $10,000 100% from home, you're just using your computer and the internet, go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you want, all right? Now I've reviewed hundreds of different websites online that help you to make money, lots of different programs, courses, business models, watching video ads, surveys, GPT websites, things like that. And some of them are really great and you can potentially make a lot of money, but a lot of them are kind of a waste of time and you can make very, very small money. And so let's take a look at PrizeGrab to see how this stacks up against all other opportunities online, all right? Now, if you've been to this website, maybe you've seen an ad for it on social media, maybe on Instagram or Facebook, and you landed here and you're wondering, can you really win $10,000 on PrizeGrab? Because that's a lot of money, okay? And it looks very, very enticing, and all you need to do is just enter your Facebook details or your email, and that's all you need, right? So let's take a look at this to see what this really is about, okay? Now, PrizeGrab is essentially a sweepstakes website. Okay, it's kind of like the lottery, but the cool thing is that you don't have to pay any money. So with lottery tickets, you would actually have to go and pay for a lottery ticket, right? But with sweepstakes, the way this works is you just give them your email address and then you can access a whole bunch of different sweepstakes, all right? So this is how it works. If you come up here to popular, you're gonna find a whole bunch of different sweepstakes that you can actually take part in, right? And there's all sorts of different types. There is cash sweepstakes like $7,000, $10,000, $5,555, that kind of thing. But they also have a lot of different product sweepstakes as well, right? Southwest Airlines, massage chair, Carnival gift card, the Samsung 70-inch LED Smart 4K Ultra HD TV, right? The Apple iPhone 13, things like that, okay? And then the way it would work is if you click into any one of these, they'll basically give you the details of how this actually works in order for you to enter this particular sweepstake, right? And all you would do is you click enter right here, and then you would definitely have to log in first and create an account before you can enter the sweepstake, all right? Now, here's how this works, okay? With this particular website, you're going to have to sign up first of all. So you click on sign up, and then you would have to sign up through either your email or Facebook, okay? So the thing that they have from you is they have your personal information. They've got your username, they've got your email, they've got your password, maybe they've even got your Facebook account details if you decide to sign up with Facebook, all right? So the big question is why are they giving away so many prizes for free? How does this actually work? What is the trade-off here? That's what you should be asking yourself, right? Well, the trade-off is essentially, in order for you to take part in any of these sweepstakes, like the $10,000 sweepstake, for example, right? They're going to take your information, all right? So every time you enter a sweepstake to win cash prizes or a product prize, you have to go through their terms of service, click OK, and basically all of them are going to ask you if it's okay for them to contact you to promote other sweepstake offers and things like that, right? And it's not just going to be them, PrizeGrab, it's also going to be their partners and their JV sponsors and things like that. Okay, so essentially what's happening here is in order for you to join a sweepstake, they are given the right to contact you and promote to you aggressively. That's how this works, right? So if you decide to join a $10,000 cash sweepstake, for example, okay, so once you click here to enter, right? What happens is PrizeGrab will have your details and they will start emailing you roughly about 10 times per day. All right, so if you don't want to be bombarded with promotional offers and sweepstakes and stuff like that, then I would recommend that you don't join PrizeGrab, okay? Or another trick is you could create another email just for sweepstakes and then they would email that particular email. But please understand that with sweepstakes, the trade-off is you're giving them the right to promote whatever they want to you, and some of them will even ask for your phone number, so they will call you sometimes, or they will actually send you SMSs, all right? So they'll email you, they'll call you, and they'll send you SMSs depending on the sweepstake that you enter, okay? Now, please understand that with sweepstakes, it's exactly like joining a lottery. Are people winning? Yes, there are people that are really winning because this is a legit sweepstake website, okay? So there are people winning money, but you have to understand that this is exactly like buying the lottery. okay, it's very, very, very difficult to win $10,000 or a product or an iPhone or a car or a flat screen TV or whatever that particular sweepstake is about. Okay, you have probably a higher chance of getting hit by a car than winning a sweepstake, because it's exactly like buying a lottery, right? You've probably bought a lottery ticket before, okay? What are the chances that you ever won a lottery? Very, very slim, right? It's extremely rare. So yes, you could go down this route if you want, but understand that this is 100% luck, okay? You can't rely on this as reliable income, and you're going to be promoted to like crazy, right? So if you enter your Facebook account right here or your email, you're going to be bombarded with 10, 20, 30 offers every single day. And if you're okay with that, then you can check it out if you want, all right? But please understand that this is a 100% like this is basically like lottery. It's a sweepstake, right? So the chances that you'll win is extremely slim, but it is legitimate. And you can check it out for free if you want to head over to PrizeGrab. Now, if you're online, I think that there are much, much better and more reliable ways to make money instead of relying on luck, because that's the problem with PrizeGrab. It's based on 100% luck, okay? But the day and age that we live in right now, I mean, you're watching this on YouTube, right? This video. Technology is so powerful. There's so many ways to earn money online. If you just check out my channel, you'll actually be able to find all sorts of different ways and websites and business models that you can actually leverage for yourself to earn money on the internet, right? And so sweepstaking, gambling, and lotteries, I think is one of the worst ways to try and make money online, because it's based on luck, right? But when you understand how to make real money online, there are strategies where it's not about luck, it's about skill. And you can literally create $10,000 a month if you want, and you can do it, very, very easily every single month if you learn a particular skill. Now, is it going to take work? Absolutely. Is it going to take you to learn that skill? Absolutely, right? But it's better than relying on luck when it's very, very unlikely that you will ever win $10,000 through a sweepstake. I hope that makes sense, okay? So if you're here right now watching this video and you're looking for a way to generate additional income online, maybe a side hustle, maybe side income, or maybe even full-time income, right? I work full-time from home. I have since April 2019. I've generated millions of dollars online, right? And if you would like my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month from home, you don't even have to leave your house. It's 100% online. Just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out for free if you would like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of PrizeGrab. You can check it out if you want, but I think, again, there are better ways to do this. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.